Connected. Connected. Say so. Connected. Man, that was actually the toilet. That's very interesting. It started up. What the hell is going on? Weird. Says connected.
Hello all.
Oh gosh, is that loud? Cool. Project Alpha. Or Green Day. Get that one. A lot of playlists already. Crack. We got this one. 29. CarX, but there's no CarX actually. I'm going actually to the toilet. I'll be right back. Good morning, my sunshines, and oh gosh, stupid. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. For sake. Gracely. It is time. Time is ticking. We'll come back actually to CarX Part 2, Part 310. I'm in the directive right now to go in the toilet instead of sleepy. Okay, I'm sleepy as shit as well, but God. Move on. Be right back. Can't speak right now. Sitting on toilet and just brush my teeth. Unbelievable. Shut the fuck up, right? Ooh, burn. Tongue burning. Tickling. 5 seconds later. It's not burning anymore. It's melting my tongue. Sorry. What the hell was that? Great soup. think it's 50 o'clock and 33 minutes. So 3 p.m. and 33 minutes, right? Maybe, I'm not sure. Oh, hier stinkt's wieder, ey, Junge. Deswegen erst ausspülen und dann erst das Klo reinigen, weil sonst hat man die ganze Scheiße im Mund drin mit seinen Händen. Okay, ist ja wohl realistisch, logisch, oder? Ja, hoffe ich doch. Oh mein Gott. I need a little hello squeals. Wenn mal wieder was auf Angebot ist. Wie lange hält denn das Ding eigentlich hier? Jetzt muss er außerhalb stehen. Das darf jetzt so nicht sein. Warte mal, lass mal schauen. Oh. My GameCube Games. Hey. Steht wieder mal nichts drauf. What the fuck? Open here? Here we go. Oh, already round off. 36, 23. I can't believe that. Okay. Oh well. At the summertime I have a lot of first. So we got wheat drinks. I take the tequila. It's the cheapest one. And tastes good. Good, actually it is. But getting drunk, operator. Not all the times if I'm going through actually the apartment, there's something. Here a little bit, there a little bit. Hang yourself. Just kidding. Close the door here. Bye-bye. Mache hier tatsächlich Werbung. Langweilig. Den Typen kannst du ja nicht trauen. Hat nicht mal gedient, der Kerl. Olme. Gedient. Was ist denn überhaupt gedient? Normales sollte gedient heißen, wenn man Auslandseinsatz ist. Entschuldigung. Boah. Zahnpasta. Einfach nur lecker. Wo hast du dich schon wieder verabschiedet? Ach, Handys. So. Au. Ah, ist der Finger. Das wird dann mal schön nächste Woche. 2 Tage lang jetzt wahrscheinlich die ganze Zeit runterschaufeln, Alter. Da freue ich mich jetzt überhaupt noch nicht drauf. Aber zuerst machen wir erstmal dichte Kanal. Schaut's denn aus? Nichts. Nichts. No fucking millimeter just moved. Nothing. But we did actually more than 30 racings, or 30 goals. I think it was by 64. 4064. And raced actually over an hour, as it was a 62 something. Or is it a day? Oh, it's a day. It is a day. So 63 days multiplicated with 24, right? Oh, my brain cells are just dead. Just don't want. How will you make it easier? But actually my cell phone says, yeah, but it makes no sense, right? Okay, let's just calculate that, but bullshit. Bullshit. Cell phone says normally 900 hours, but it is by 1,512 hours. Yeah, but not racing. just in-game, right? $900 maybe racing and $600 actually toddling around, idling. You know, what's that stuff? The toddling. What's that meaning again? If you just say some race signs or something, these signs actually outside do not toddle around. It's called different. I totally forgot that. What else? Ci sono campagna trovi su Discord posso di next stream. Thanks for the 1 subscribe. Cheers up. So much beer, right? Not the cold beer. It's always the smoking, right? It destroys everything. It's the music. P10 online. Is that Batman sound is coming? Oh, look at that. They already actually deleted a song. Oh, they didn't. Okay, the cover is just a little transparent hiding. Or hidden. Hiding it up. 2 seconds of delay. What do you want? Oh no, 6 days left. What the hell? Huh. Okay. Yeah, I mean more than 6 days. I think that's 7 days, right? I don't care anymore. I can't beat that, you know, that's my problem. And I'm away. Mr. Batman. Yes, sir. And get a 50K. Here we go. Nice one. Absolutely great. Hab nicht dran gezweifelt, dass ich 50 kriege, oder? Bist jetzt schon am Ende.
Ain't right. Product relay done.
What in the hell? You see that racing is living, right? Everything else is just waiting. What happened actually to that bartending in here? Oh my god, it's just ending meanwhile in here. Oh, here we go, now it makes sense. Still actually something is missing here. Awesome. I like that stuff. Bit complicated, a new vehicle or something, but well, it makes fun. It's a massive car. It seems maybe little, but actually has a lot of weight, and that's the problem. Not 900, it is actually a 1.7 ton. It's a 7 pack or something. Yeah, it's a bull crack. Did I just sleep 4 hours? That's weird. Same yesterday, right? Actually, the second shift they're doing. Kind of this. I'm still waking up, but it's okay. That's not good actually for the body. Definitely. The fat is actually not going out of your body system faster than actually before. Just want to save a little while, you know, here and there. Stuck a bit more. But you're drinking hard. Half wet and half dry. Not again. I was drinking it, actually done. Just over half liter, right? And I don't know. It says actually 240 calories. Okay, that's something. It's okay. I was drinking that actually for 6 years, 7, 8, 9. Hold on, when am I coming over? Yeah, kind of for 9 years or something. I was drinking actually every day 6 of them or 7. A lot of carbonate in there. Gambarimasu. The cigarette works. Hold on. Crack. Some other people said to say, fuck you mother. Shit. That's all right. Oh, I can hear the car. What the hell? Man, the car's loud. I'm not surviving that. Hold on a sec. Stupid earplug. No car like dies. And that car is one of the slowest. The fastest one is actually the cargo. Stop me soon. Oh, look at that beautiful number. Here we go again. It remembers me like a 205 as well on a Peugeot. And it is a 43 and a 43, right? Ah, beautiful. And there's another 43 actually on that screen. Can you find it? Let's see. I'm the loudest something? Seriously? Well, I'm talking normal. Hello? May I am. Yes, may I. So, sorry for that one. Crack, 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 crack. butcher. I think that was. And let's send it to what's new. Dead Island 2 is waiting, mate. Might. Got 3 times platinum that game right now, but it's actually a little, you know, tricky to say. Find and 43. The screen. Let's see. Oh, that looks wonderful. Let's close. I'll take that one. Where can it be? Oh my god, that 4 times on it. Oh shit. It's 4 times on it. Oh my hell. Oh shit, now I saw it actually in a preview. Forgot the money share. Oh, prize money, right? Prize money. Here we go. Prize money. Crack. Seriously. Didn't saw that. Crazy, man. 4 times. A DC on it. DC 43. What the hell? What? Oh my god. Okay, here we go. It's actually the prize money, right? There's a 55, 43, and the 205 about the show I bought. Then the score by 4,343, and actually the cape says 43. Is there another 43 in here? No, please not. Actually it is, but actually it's 33. 34. Oh hell. Enough about that one. Fantastic. Und Schwanzen. Wenn der Gerichtsvollzieher kommt, ja, ja. Oh mein Gott. Switch reloaded, ja. Leck das Glas. Oh, is that loud? Get on up with the prototype here. Protige. Astron. There we go. Car me drift, this will be banned. Oh, what the hell? For what this game is actually existing. Called actually CarX Drift Racing Online, but, well, boring. What an a-hole. I can't decide. There's no hitting cars, that's boring, right? There's no time. Okay, I'm not actually using time racing. What's that J? Oh. Well. Winter Red Ring. Well, you can deal and done with this. Let's just check it out. That's my first time, I think, anyway, online to do this Winter Red Ring online. Let's see what's going on in here. It must be boring as shit. Or I just find actually some cars that I really can race in here. Uh-oh. These bubble wine actually making something with my stomach. Oh, hell no. What lord are they, like? Jesus Christ as hell. That's on Eastern. It's always the right earplug, goddammit. I'm so sorry. Oh, what a mess. Yay, a 10k. Oh my gosh. What that shit did. Simpan, Hedero, I'm Lolan. Lolan. So that's actually Scandinavians. Alari, Japi, DjVolgin. How he just got actually 10k more right now, instantly. Okay, he was doing something. Oh crap, what the hell? Guys! Get your work done! I'm an asshole. Oh my gosh. Sorry, sorry. Can somebody close my door, please? Ooh, some A and B and C. What the hell? Oh crap, okay. Oh, come on, what the hell? Go fiddlestick. There was another one. Do it again. What the hell? Somebody got fun in here. Oh, XDS, I don't like XDS, sorry for that one. For Fiddlestick. Tschüss auf Kampagne, Schwab, ich will nicht so gut Gott, wird auf den Livestream. God damn it. Oh no! Oh fucking hell. Oh, for sake. Not my day. Well, it was some kind of fun. That was the first time I was online on these winter red ring. I saw so many actually hidden stuff I couldn't reach. At the time it's just running out and that makes it so fucked up. Especially on ice. If you're frustrated already in the run itself and the time is running out and you see something you want to reach but the time is ticking. It's so fucked up and frustrating twice. So sorry. Can't handle that. Yeah, it was a good friend actually. No, he's gone. Not subscribing. For Fiddlestick. What the hell is that? For robbing tuba. Easy walk. It's more like silly walk. Just up campaign probably so lose got the doesn't next stream more for a minute. Oh, I got a head actually. Hola. Good morning, my homeboy. Hey, what's up, Gava Mac and Nitro to bed? 43, hit the monster sign. For Lord Grace. Heavenly. I hate that to say. Link copied. Why is it complicated? Copy. Edit. Tag it. Get the link. Share it. Here we go.
Def Nations CarX D.R.O 2023 URL
In your ass. Link. So, what? Link in the face, dude. Kind of, the douche is awake again. Social. Soup dude. Because I'm drinking very much, you know. Soup, dude. What I am. Ausgelaugt, selbstbewusst, frech, erschöpft, genervt, glücklich, gelangweilt, schläfrig, kalt, betrübt, super, was bin ich denn heute? Albern, immer albern. Alright. Came later on, I think. Fühlt sich positiv, fühlt sich albern. Oh mein Gott. Yeah, we under 19 beer today. The sound is a little bit Mortal Kombat, but I'm not sure about it. It has something, definitely. Rotzäppchen. Ah, done. Where's my bucket? Oh, crack. Everybody has some alcohol bucket, right? I think I'm the only guy actually drinking very much beer or something alcoholic on that game here. On that hardliner or something, das crack. Ah, was riecht denn hier so gut? Mal aufmachen hier. Oh, das ist schon offen. Okay, was will ich mehr? And there's my bucket. I just cleaned it. When I just cleaned that. That's so fucked up. Cause sometimes I just doing dumb stuff instead of just drifting and drinking. My mind says, alright, this one gets cleaned, blah blah blah. Hadouken! Ah. If I'm just doing that, I can't concentrate by peeing. What the hell? Just let it flow, like the drifts. Ja, nicht daneben so, oder? Jetzt werde ich wieder geschimpft von mir selber. Hab mir sonst nichts zu tun. There we go. Oh, that smells good. Good smelling bucket. Ready for permits. My brain was saying that. Ready for permits. Warm it. Oh, that's okay, that's good. Not done with clean with that one. There we go. Another tequila bucket. Bucket, I mean, another tequila head. It's fucked up to make up. Open up. Gobble back some things UV coming on. Bink! 3 times hidden. Alright. Just off Kapana Shwabi Series and called also the defect pin and Tada Mas by the way. Oh, holy crack. Ready for the bucket. Holy moly. Oh man, that earplug. Dripping and dripping. She's up. Oh, I mean, come by the boss. Easy, not so fast. Respect the Formula 1 line. Not even, man, that beam belt suspension, unbelievable. Great solving. Come on, not again. Rock steady. Whoa. 83k. 3 times dealing gone actually, or 2 times actually dealing gone that we were. Oh my crap. It's a wonderful car. That dude actually, we was in a talk, I think that was about this marriage man, or they're having a divorce or something to fight each other. Or was it the guy actually, he was actually fighting his friendship with a girlfriend in New Zealand? I can't remember, but actually he was a nice guy, seriously. I miss him. That was for, yeah, good 9 months ago. No, it was longer, man. I think it's more like dripping on a year right now. That was fantastic. How many drip? Can't find it anymore. Don't know what. Conversation of 2 hours, but I have not the video anymore. And that was in Bathurst in Australia, actually. Bathurst Panorama. Careful, noisy.
team. Just contact me, sir. The DefRekka. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Great, 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 great.
Bit bored today. My ears are bleeding with that music, goddammit.
Something we can do done actually. 1 million with get. Let's just see. Up 5 times in Sapoliso. Voodoo, Atlas GT, Speedline GT, CarX Part², and Pattern GT. Drift and ride. Nope. It's time tag. Oh shit. Whenever, just reach 1 million. Oh my gosh, 1 million. Mutant or Binity 31, wherever you want to go. Just with these vehicles, reach a 1 million points. Being P30, Bandit, and that's all? Okay. 30, 31, Mutant and Bandit. Huh. The fastest of these. Good question. Seriously, a good question. Pirate. It's one of the slowest actually. Is I made it up for kind of the XDS ride. Oh, I'm so sorry. That is actually that bubble wine. That's why I'm farting all the time. Sorry for that one. No. Ah, something stuck in my nose. Ah, das tut schon langsam weh, Alter. Das ist so Betonramme oder so, Alter. A constructor friend as well has the same problem in the nose. It's like the mortar plastering stuff, or actually the concrete or something, all just getting into the nose and then Yeah, well, it makes makes stony actors actually. So nosebleed actually very fast if you just have a fight with the fist against someone, right? A fist fight, they're calling it. I'm sorry, my English. I'm German Bavarian. Please, don't be so brutal on me. Crack. Just up compared to what is salut gold post the snack stream salut gold post the snack stream salut gold salute or salute. What the hell's going on? Let's see how many people actually live streaming this game. Yep, a 9. The heck we are. There are 2 players watching them. The one hand demon, Luca BK. Twitch. Oh, there's myself. Default place. Christopher Berg. I think that's me. Not sure about that. New game, it says. Huh. Okay. Oh, hell no. The mission dude. I think I have a sword that's actually a lot of these kind of permissions or something. Medals or something. To being the loneliest guy actually in the drifting world. Online. Virtual, better say. And the most drinkful person. Nobody's drinking and smoking so much stuff. Just up. Ganbarimasu. Abgestört. Liegen gelassen. Gesagt geholt. I just want... Oh, mil already. Why, I need a mil actually. At the viewers anyway. Why I need a mil actually to win in the tasks when I already did with a 80k a 435,000, you know, a 435k already. Makes no sense, right? So while I'm fighting actually for that 1 million of points you have to deal done with the mutant, bandit, Bimmy, P30, P31. When I already actually get in a kind of a 2.5 minutes, a half mil. The prize money is 1 million for 1 million points deal done. An extra cash crack, right? Weird. Oh, my eyes actually just itchy a bit. This is 166. Sad, yeah. I was fun with that guy actually from... He was coming from Baden-Württemberg. No, I don't want to tell. Go to Frost. I mean 999, but it was actually 666. I still have the taste of the bubble wine in my mouth. Amazing. It's actually the soy. Close eyes. We are the Spitzen. Ja, was tut das denn machen? was ist das denn sein? Jetzt ist GTA Online verfügbar. Wonderful with that. A new chance on PlayStation now. In GTA Online is Winston something blah 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 blah. I don't care. People's cell phone get the same message at the same time. But when I activate the first cell phone after 2 months, message is like ding 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 ding. Oh, look at that. Back. Cool. Can't join. Not deal with. Be right back. Need to go to pee again. Hey, Snooky. Oh, what the hell is that? A-hole. Kann man eigentlich seine Anrufe irgendwie, wenn man sagt, okay, man hat sein eigenes Handy zwar an, aber man könnte es umleiten auf eine Nummer? Geht das? Ich meine, wenn jemand anrufen würde, dann hätte ich es wenigstens in die Earplugs. Das nervt nämlich gewaltig. Jemand anruft und ich höre es nicht, weil, obwohl das Handy neben mir liegt. Aber die Earplugs actually sind so laut, dass ich nicht höre, dass das andere Handy klingelt. Is that maybe possible? You know what I'm saying? No? Doesn't matter. Da ist es. Ausrede, ja wunderbar, lauter Nazi schon wieder. What the hell's going on in here?